Hi guys, welcome to the next video of Node Express MongoDB Bootcamp 2023. In this video, I'll talk about events in Node.js. Events is the built-in package provided by Node, and it is used to trigger a message to the multiple applications or to launch some kind of notification to the web app, or we can have let's say a chat application and we want to send the notification to multiple recipients or the users. So there can be multiple applications. So I'll let you know that how we can create event, name the events, and how we can emit the event and how we can receive the events in Node.js, right? So let's go ahead. I've already created a folder, events node, and let's create a file inside it. So index.js, and I will go ahead and require an event emitter. So require events, which is provided by Node, and now I'm going to create an object of this event emitter class. Okay, now I'm going to create few events and I'm going to name those events. I won't be creating some kind of real life application in this video, but later on when I'll be building some projects in Node.js, building some REST APIs, let's say a chat application, then I'll be using events to trigger something. So, but now I'll just let you know how we can create it. So I'll use the event dot on, and here you can see that I need to enter the event name, that what kind of event name it is. So let's say that it's the alarm. We are in a building where the security alarm system and we want to trigger an event, and then it gives us args. We can have arg1, we can have arg2, right? So, and yeah, we can have then a callback function. So here we can actually do anything. We can call the other functions in our project. We can call some APIs. We can send the response to the users and whatever we want to do. But just let's try to log the args1 and args2, right? And it can be just a string. It can be an object or a message or an array. It can be anything, right? So args2, and now we can have another event emitter. So let's say that emitter dot on and notification. This is another event, and we cannot have any argument. It's up to us, right? So, and here we can just show that there is a notification, right? And now let's try to emit these events. So it's just simple. So I'm just going to write emitter and then emit, right? And I need to give it that which emitter I want to trigger. So let's say that I want to trigger alarm, and then I'm going to pass some arguments. So let's say that 9 a.m. alarm or the 12 a.m. alarm. So I'm just emitting this. So let's try to run this code. So index node.js, you can see that this event got triggered, and it's just the one file. We can organize our project in multiple files, export the emitters and emit from other files as well, calling some APIs. So it's up to us. When we will be building some real life applications, then we will use this. So now we can let's say that I can have another emitter with the same name, right? But this time I don't want to receive any arguments. Okay, so but another alarm emitter, right? So now I will run this command again. Now you can see that both, because the name was same, both emitters got triggered, but in this case the sequence matters. The first one will trigger first, the second one will trigger after that. And no matter if the emitter who is emitting the data or emitting the some message, it's not compulsory that the receiver should receive that particular data, because in the first emitter we are receiving the data, in the second emitter alarm it's not receiving the data, so it's not required here to receive the data. And we can also emit this notification and it will work just like this. So this is it for this video. Is what it was pretty small, just wanted to give you some introduction how to set up events, set emitters and name the emitters, pass the arguments, the sequence also matters, and also emit different events, emitters in this particular node application. So yeah, that's it for this video. Next video we'll talk about streams, and this is very important topic. Let's move to the next video.